guys, welcome back on top of the late night show. And listen, I don't see that particular video, beautiful video, and beautiful song Stress. We sing the whole thing join. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, stay close to me. The very girl set for that video, feefab in the building. Feefab, welcome. Welcome. Normally for this show, we they stand up, they greet.
Yeah, this one not be pidgin English greeting.
How pidgin English greeting?
How are you there? Later.
No, forget. For pidgin English greeting on the good day. If I want to wait in my mind just now.
Now like pidgin English.
Now for my mind I do am. The thing we forget. Now so we dey try the package pidgin English, and if not the good, I not go the dress like this.
Wait.
Now so pidgin English just in the.
No, pidgin English said the greeting I forget. Not be greeting. I insult.
Nice insult.
Idiot, how far?
No, that one area now. That one a heavy area. Your father, idiot. Oh no,
yeah, you there.
That one be area. You know area.
We never know yet.
You never know yet. Which side you come from?
Edo State.
Edo. Oh, but talk it's easy beach. See your sister.
That's it.
Correct. So which side for Edo State? Benisha, Esako.
No,
wait.
If you know Oromi, you know.
Oh, okay. In your Oromi. At least I be reach all those.
Thank you.
Hi.
You're welcome.
Our witchcraft years. But anyway, feefab, welcome.
Thank you.
So why the name feefab?
Feefab. Now the way I feel.
Yeah.
Anytime I hear music, anytime I want to write music.
So feefab. So they feel.
Yeah, the way I feel. I don't know that kind of thing ever do now. They just work out for you. They hear some kind of beat. You bless me down. We say, I road I respect yourself.
Okay.
So that kind of feeling.
You consider just feel fab. You feel fabulous.
Yes, feeling fabulous.
So easy beat. If you work out for road now, you hear what you
You're feeling fabulous.
You're not feefab. I think you'll be craze fab. I think my grade is crave fab. Okay. For that video now, we'll just watch the title of the song again.
Down the river.
Down the river. Okay. We notice that you know kiss that Oyibo for that place.
Hey.
Why? Oyibo lips. Why? Why no hustle the Oyibo?
No, at the part, you know, I don't know. For me, they suit me if I don't know that you watch Indian film.
Yes.
They go do like say they want kiss.
Okay, so you like all those.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, all those. I want to kiss you by dress back. I want to kiss you. They're going to be like, okay, you know what? If you just add time now.
Yes, okay, yes, it will make sense.
So easy bit.
I can't play the song now.
Yes, you understand.
Okay,
so
I like her.
They do like say you want, you understand? So how go take down now?
And you know as it be, that we will not need to talk. So you do your thing.
Okay. So
make it real. Make it real.
Okay, we're supposed to do it together.
And now, Nera, make it real.
So now me be the Oyibo now.
Now she be the feefab.
How do they do it like this? That's what they do.
Like this.
You know talk. You know talk.
You know your song? No.
You they sing your song now.
They sing your song now.
I know the shot.
That Oyibo no just see. If I be the Oyibo, I go tell hold you. They say, "Cut your father. All of you crazy."
I got paid for this stuff.
Yeah, now. But anyway, let's say you like to sabi kiss your way.
I don't know. I'm not talking anything.
You know sabi kiss your way. Forget that thing. FIFA, tell us the truth.
Kiss? That's what they say they pump
Jetty. Shop lips. Which one they gave?
Lick lips.
Lick lips. Lick lips. Lick lips.
I know
my director's there for ear time say suck lips. If some people hold you for kiss, easy bit. Then they suck your destiny come out.
You gotta. Your boy gonna eat.
Wait, who talk me?
No. It just strike you just now.
That person I headache they give, not be kissing that.
Not be joke. You know supposed to suck orange.
Yes, now.
If they hold your lips like that.
They be vampire.
Does it? Anybody where they can be able to do this thing for orange, run for out.
Now, if they finish orange like that, forget your lips.
Anybody will kiss anybody like that, and the person will kiss still agree make a call visit, and the girl is not alright.
Forget some girls that day. And they even hold the lips like that. So
that's fucking mind go.
So hold your head like this. You go just see speech for the whole face. Auntie, what did they worry you?
Tomorrow, the next morning, your lips will sweat.
And now,
but what did you?
Nothing matter.
It was romantic.
And now, so different people and their own.
Very romantic.
So, okay, Mo, go back to our song Stress in the building. FIFA, how many years now in the industry?
Very fresh.
Very fresh.
Never reach years.
We never reach years.
No.
That, Oh, like okay, how many months now?
6, 7 months.
Yeah? You don't marry?
No.
Yeah.
I don't marry. I don't know.
No, some people they lock up. They don't come like they come out their ring for corner.
Yeah.
They happen and some hustle is different. You get. So as it be like this now, months now, you don't already launch video, launch song. How many songs on day now?
This one are the first one where they really push. I get other songs, but this one.
But that's why they push.
This one provoked me to come out, according to.
Yeah. Provoking.
Provoked me to come out and say, no. We will come out.
Okay, so right now, because I see the way your pattern of music and everything. So now that's because you want enter like saying a reggae song. Now that kind of pattern you want to do,
No, the pattern will change.
It will change. So which will be your genre, your type of music?
My genre, I don't go school.
Okay. Now maybe talk the type. Just in case.
I did joke. My type of music, I don't get one specific type because as I talk now, say my name, my artist name is feefab. That feeling fabulous. When you hear good music, it's not always one kind of music.
Yes.
It's like a mood. I speak English, more than this.
Any mood, you just find yourself sharp.
It's a mood thing with music. Today you hear reggae, you feel good.
Okay.
Tomorrow you hear typical scatter the place music.
Oh,
maybe that day on Friday or your boss mess you up and you're like, I beg, this is music I need to hear. You put all your energy. So my kind of music, I know it's not based on any particular genre.
So no particular. That means tomorrow night if you just sing blues, give us.
You're in the spirit.
You understand?
I feel still sing like say, I know they're all right.
But get any song will resemble that kind, not the alright song.
Yeah, I guess something like that.
They did? Okay, so meaning say, but this video where you shoot, not be Nigeria you shoot them?
No, not be Nigeria.
Outside country, South Sea.
How do you make it sound like say fan? Just back here now.
I know. I also make I also know that South Sea. If now South Sea, we know that the normal thing. Okay, Nigerians food. They get Nigerian streets for South Africa because the second house these days. But anyway, so what did you look forward to now from feefab? And what's your original name, sir?
My original name is Faith Eboseta Eriata.
Faith Eboseta Eriata. Why they look like that? Easy beat. What's be your plan?
Why you tackle me now?
I'm not a tackle you. Why are you feeling tackled? But anyway, my dear. So in a few months' time, or what do they look forward to from you?
More music.
Okay.
More videos.
Okay. Collabos, uncle?
Definitely.
Who would like collabo with? When I mean collabo for musical.
The list. Waiting. You get another collab. See. I know that you can play.
Wait, baby, do not let
I think they come with this guy. You know they drive me. They go area one hour.
Why drive you go now?
I beg. See, now here the road. They know they drive go that side.
Easy beats. And they find the road where they But collabos, who you like collabo with in a few?
The list is very long.
Very long.
The list long.
So more no stars.
No.
Just I mentioned two, just two. She.
See, I don't want Kolo.
Tiwa Savage.
Oh, Jesus. These bros don't understand the ministry.
Patient Jonathan.
That one, artist on your own level. You don't even need
on her own.
On our own.
Hell.
On sign, but making money. So just.
All right, yeah. So finally, social media handles so that if you follow, you relate.
Social media handle, Twitter at Real feefab.
Okay.
And Instagram at Real feefab. Facebook, just feefab.
Okay.
FEEFAB. If you type any other thing.
Okay. You'll talk again to them one more time because like this now they're going to need to look your face where you look at them and say it.
Twitter handle at Real feefab. REALFEEFAB. The same thing for Instagram. On Facebook, feefab. Just type feefab. Shall be well with you.
Yeah, so just greet your Edo people there. Who those who roam inside, who they watch like this.
No. Now, I come from those places, but I'm not great. Now, Benin, I grew. And the way Benin people, they greet, have fun now. Don't shop. You do all right.
And one place where I love it. All right, feefab, thank you very much. Please join us on the show.
Thank you for having me.
Even though you know Greece say you the kiss. But we know.
You don't know that they saw clip. I don't want to talk
about feefab, forget. You they suck lips. Not be saying I don't know say anything. That's why you hope actually damage everything.
I didn't say anything, no.
No, you don't say anything.
I didn't say anything.
But our hearts know what your heart is saying.
Shall be well with you.
Thank you very much, Jen. And I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
All right, so quickly, we go on this break. By the time we come back, we get another set of very, very wonderful ladies who will join us on top of the show. Karina and Jella will join here to come carry another kind of craze come inside the show. Not go anywhere when they come back.